Hello grade 12s. I'm looking at the Helix for the November 2013 Department of Basic Education paper. The given information is that we've got a chute. It has a left-hand turn for the helix, and they've given you 1.5 rotations. So you've got to just calculate our height divisions. So if we look at it, we've got to understand that the bottom start point of our helix, it's a left-hand thread, so it's going to go up here, go behind, and then come out here somewhere. So that's the left-hand thread. So the height divisions we need to work out. So if we do a calculation here, that start point to get to 1.5 turns to get to that point is going to give us a height of 88 minus that height there of 16, giving us a measurement of 72. That 72 is for 1.5 rotations, which means we're going to take 72 and divide that by 18, which is 12 plus 6. That is going to give us our vertical height measurements. The divisions need to be 4 millimeters apart. I'm now going to start by drawing that given information. So at this stage I've drawn my two circles. This circle has the diameter of 40. Then they said our next circle was 20 on top of that, so that makes this circle a diameter of 40. I've projected a line across, and on this line I've marked off my 4 millimeter height intervals. Next, I'm going to project my pizza slices into my circles, and I'm going to draw in my 4 millimeter divisions. I'm finished with doing my pizza slices, and I've marked off my divisions. Now what I'm going to do is just label my circles. So now I'm going to then project my lines from my pizza slices into the corresponding height measurements. So if I start with this outside circle, remember 12 is also 0. I've got those extra ones to make up the 1 turn plus another half. On the other side, I'm going to mark the height level of 16. So this is where the height would be at the top of the chute. So if I'm projecting this point, there's point 0 and 1. It's at the same point as point 11, so I could also mark 11 and 1 again. Here's point 2 on the same line is point 10 and point 2 again. Here on the center line we've got 0.3, 0.9 and 0.3 on the other side. Here is 0.4. I'll project that to 0.4 and 8 and then 0.4 again. The other side we've got 0.5, 0.7 and 0.5 on the other side. Where it touches the side here is going to give me 0.6 and 0.6. If we join those points up, our center lines. Now this is going to be around the back of the shape, so I'm not going to see it. The middle three are straight lines. I think those are still worthy of being joined by a straight line. And then from your start point, this is where we're going to have the real curved shape. Remember, this is the same as simple harmonic motion that we do for the cam drawings. So that's the end of one of our helix shapes. The other helix shape will come from the inside, where we've got the core and then the start point on the height here, which is the edge of the shoot shape. I'm going to now project and get the points for my shoot on the outside the shoot edge. I'm now going to join the outside top edge of the shoot. Little curve, 3 little points are on a straight line. A lot of that will be unseen as it's behind the core. The middle 3 line up. And there would be the top edge of the core, of the shoot. Our next step is going to work out the core, so the inside circle, and project those points across. You can see now that I have projected from my inside circle my points to the respective height divisions to get the core helix. As you can see, it is finishing on 0.6 to give me my 1.5 turns. Now I'm going to go over my outline in a dark line so that it's more visible and complete the shape. Finishing off the last few points. And there is the left hand thread of a 1.5 turn. I could make it a little bit neater just by raising here. Ideally you shouldn't do this because if you've made a mistake they will award you marks to see how you've got your points and how you projected them. But just so that you get a better view of what we have here, I'm just taking those out. Just darken my center lines again.